If you're still using a Windows 10 PC, Microsoft just gave you another year before it cuts off security updates. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Microsoft quietly updated a support document that its extended security updates program for personal use computers has been extended to October 12, 2027. The ESU program was originally scheduled to sunset in October 2026. The updated support page read, "This extension provides customers with more time to transition to a new Windows 11 PC while continuing to receive critical security updates." Microsoft introduced the ESU program in June 2025 before the operating system's official end of support in October. The original pitch was to receive an additional year of security updates for $30 or for free by either redeeming 1,000 Microsoft Reward points or agreeing to back up your Windows settings to the cloud. Microsoft said in a statement, "We understand that moving to a new PC can take time. As part of our ongoing commitment to helping customers stay secure during the transition, the Windows 10 Extended Security Upgrades program for personal devices is being provided for an additional year." According to sources, Windows 10 is still used by 26% of desktop Windows PCs worldwide, compared to nearly 72% for Windows 11. During an earnings call in November 2025, Dell COO Jeffrey Clark said there were around 1 billion PCs still running Windows 10. And since all of those aren't capable of upgrading to Windows 11, a portion of users will have to decide to upgrade their PC, and this extension gives them time to do so, which is a good thing. New computers' costs are skyrocketing due to the ongoing RAM shortage. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.